First, go to Insert and choose your picture. Then go to Shapes and choose the rectangle. Align it in the middle and resize it. Go to Text box and add your title. Align them in the middle and choose both. Go to Format, click on Merge Shapes, then choose Combine. Right-click and choose Format Shape, click on the solid fill and change the color and its transparency. Make a new slide, then insert a new picture. Repeat the previous steps and make the shape bigger and move outside the slide. Go to Insert and select a 3D module. Choose the sun and go to the first slide. Put it outside and go to the second one and put it in the right of the slide and rotate it 90 degrees. Add your text and repeat the same steps several times, and this will be the result. Wonderful. Follow and subscribe our YouTube channel.